Breadboard. A breadboard is a construction base used to build semi-permanent prototypes of electronic circuits. Any electronic circuit is made up of small electronic components like capacitors, resistors, integrated circuits, power supply, etc. Using a breadboard, we can create temporary connections between these electronic components and test if everything is working properly. Although breadboards are available in different shapes and sizes, all of them work on same basic principle. Breadboards have serially or parallelly shorted lines running under the small plastic holes. For example, in this breadboard, we have these lines shorted under the plastic holes. So these are the 25 plastic holes shorted internally in the breadboard. We don't need any external wire or jumper to create connections between these 25 holes. There are 8 such lines in this breadboard. Now observe these 5 holes carefully. They are in one line and are shorted internally in the breadboard. There are 2 such sets of 60 such lines of 5 holes each running parallelly in the breadboard. Now let's take these 2 lines. They are running parallelly. So I can simulate a basic circuit of a LED and a 3 volt power supply in this way. Now let's try some different circuit using a 5 volt power supply and a small resistor. And I will arrange these circuits in many different ways. Pause the video and carefully observe the connections. As you can see, the circuit is working in all different ways. There is no fixed way to simulate any given circuit on the breadboard. It depends on the user. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.